Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda Malpani, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 5th of January 2026, Nifty index opened positive and skyrocketed right from the start of the session and touched a fresh all-time high of 26,340 levels. Surge in buying with participation across board helped the index stay afloat at higher zones, and it closed at its higher band with gains of around 200 points. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and is making higher highs, higher lows from the last 3 sessions. Now, it formed a bullish candle on the weekly frame and gave the highest ever close. India VIX was up by around 2.9% to 9.5 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.46. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,800 to 26,700, while immediate range could be in between 26,100 to 26,500 marks. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 544 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 534 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 11.4%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 26,250 for the next up move towards 26,500 and 26,600, while support can be seen at 26,200 marks. Bank Nifty has to hold above 60,000 for the next up move towards a new record high of 60,500 and 60,750, while support can be seen at 60,000 zones. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Nalco, Paytm, Hindalco, Hindustan Zinc, PNB Housing, JSW Energy and AU Bank, while some weakness could be seen in HAL, Indigo, Coforge and PB Fintech. Wish you a super day and a lovely week ahead. Shivangi Sarda Malpani signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.